Students, we will solve some examples from practice set 1.2. Question number 1. The question is, in this figure, in triangle QPR, we have to decide whether ray PM is the bisector of angle QPR. Okay? As we studied the angle bisector property, we know that the bisector of angle divides the side opposite to angle in the ratio equal to the ratio of remaining sides. Means when we can say PM is the bisector, if we will get ratio QM upon MR equal to QP upon PR. Okay? So first step is we have to find out the value of these ratios. So first ratio we will find out QM upon MR. QM upon MR. QM equal to 3.5. MR equal to 1.5. Let's remove the decimal point here. We will get 35 upon 15. Now 35 and 15 both are divisible by 5. 5 7 are 35. 5 3 are 15. This is our first ratio. QM upon MR is equal to 7 upon 3. Okay. Now we will find out second ratio, QP upon PR. Equal to 7 upon 3. This is our statement number 2. Now here you can see that QM upon MR equal to 7 upon 3. QP upon PR is also 7 upon 3. That means these two ratios are equal. Therefore, QM upon MR equal to QP upon PR. Reason we can write from 1 and 2. Okay, student? So here we got these two ratios equal, so that we can say that ray PM is the bisector of angle QPR. Therefore, ray PM is the bisector of angle QPR. Followed? First example. Now we will see second example. Question number 2. Here the figure is given triangle PRQ. In this triangle PRQ, this line NM intersects side PR at N and side PQ at M. And PM is equal to 15, PQ equal to 25, PR equal to 20 and NR equal to 8. So we have to decide whether line NM is parallel to side RQ. So again here we have to revise basic proportionality theorem. We studied the theorem that if line NM is parallel to RQ, we will get Pn upon Nr equal to Pm upon Mq. So first we have to say whether these ratios are equal or not. Okay, student? So here Pm is given and Pq is given. We have to find out Mq. So P, M, Q. These points are on the same line. So we will use betweenness. Using that betweenness, we can find out MQ. So MQ is equal to PQ minus PM. PQ minus PM. So PQ is given 25 and PM is given 15. So 25 minus 15 is equal to 10. MQ is equal to 10. Similarly, here PR is given 20 and NR is given 8. So we have to find out Pn. Here P and R. These points are on the same line. So using betweenness, we will find out Pn. Pn is equal to Pr minus Nr. Pr equal to 20, Nr equal to 8. 20 minus 8 is equal to 12. Okay. Now we will find out first ratio Pn upon Nr. Pn upon Nr. Pn is equal to 12 and Nr is equal to 8. 12 and 8 both are divisible by 4. 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8. This is our statement number 1. Now we will find out second ratio Pm upon Mq. Equal to Pm is equal to 15 and Mq we got 10. 15 and 10 both are divisible by 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. This is our statement number 2. Now from first and second statement, we come to know that Pn upon Nr, this ratio is equal to Pm upon Mq. Both are having equal values. Therefore, Pn upon Nr is equal to Pm upon Mq. Reason we can write from 1 and 2. So this ratio is equal, that means these two sides divided into equal ratio. Therefore, line NM is parallel to line RQ. Therefore, line NM parallel to line RQ. And the reason we will write converse of basic proportionality theorem. Understood, student? How we decided line NM is parallel to line